Hi, this is Ashish Jain. I'm Director of Solutions Marketing at Genband. I run solutions strategy for some of the mobile solutions at Genband.
And you were here as part of a carrier Wi-Fi panel. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we are watching the mobile industry very closely, and some of the recent trends that are happening in the mobile industry is that two of the largest forces, which is the cellular networks and the Wi-Fi networks, are coming together to create new innovation and new type of services in the market. So that is such an inflection point for the mobile market where the new innovation is right around the corner. We've already started to see where carriers are embracing Wi-Fi as part of their network for their overall network densification to provide new services to the user and increase their average revenue. So that was really what the talk was about, and some of the interesting areas there is how the experience of connectivity is changing from how we are used to roaming within the cellular network to how the roaming is going beyond just cellular network to the Wi-Fi, and how the end users are really benefiting from that seamless experience of leveraging both the Wi-Fi networks and the mobile networks. Regardless of how the networks are set up, they're able to use the services more consistently across those two.
Anything else you want to say?
So definitely, I had a good talk yesterday on the carrier Wi-Fi and the trends, and some of the key areas we've started to see is this collaborative innovation that is happening beyond just the carriers working together to provide new services. It is really the collaboration that is happening between the carriers as well as the pure play Wi-Fi operators, the carriers as well as the enterprises like the sports venues and the retail outlets and others who actually own the Wi-Fi hotspots, and they're working together to provide better services, better connectivity to the end users. So we're like I said, we're at that inflection point where the different market forces are coming together to provide new and newer services. So the carrier Wi-Fi is really the foundation that I see is required in the industry to provide a consistent user experience to provide new services. Now, what is happening from a Genband perspective is we are working on providing that secure integration between the Wi-Fi and the cellular network. That is one of our key strategies, is to provide seamless integration and secure integration between the two networks, but as well as provide the tools that the carriers and the enterprises need to better engage with their customers. So we have solutions around the cloud-based solutions. The Fring program that we have provide the over-the-top services, not just for voice and messaging services, but more as an engagement tool for the carriers and enterprises to better connect with their customers. We have the API platform, which we call Candy, that provides even more tool sets for the carriers as well as enterprises to embed communications based on the enterprise workflows, based on the different needs of the customers, and have a better engagement strategy with them. Some of the examples of that are in terms of, let's say, if you're trying to do mobile marketing within the retail outlets, and you try to connect with your consumers who are using Wi-Fi in that proximity. How do you connect that user with the agent, with the support center within that retail outlet, within that shopping center, to provide them a better service? So we're really seeing that innovation around the network infrastructure as well as the applications that are riding on top of that to provide a much better set of services to the end user. So that is really what is happening in the market. Genband is heavily playing in providing better services, better communication tools, as well as secure integration with the mobile networks.